Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you another updated puff puff recipe with just 3 ingredients. Very simple and absolutely delicious. So let's get started. So to my mixing bowl, I will go ahead to add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I have listed all the ingredients in the description box below for you to check it out. Okay? To that, I'm adding in instant yeast. To that, we'll add in some salt. Then our main ingredient, condensed milk. Feel free to use any brand you want. Okay, so for this recipe, I'm not going to use any sugar at all. Lastly, we'll add in vanilla extract. And for the flavor, you can use any flavor you want. So now I'm going to mix all the ingredients together until I get the consistency I'm looking for. We'll then add in some water and continue to mix. So guys, this recipe was inspired by cooking with Ifia. Thank you so much, sister, for this recipe. It's really amazing. And keep doing what you do best, okay? So I'm going to cover it and allow the batter to rise in a warm spot for about 45 minutes, okay? Or it doubles in size. So guys, after 45 minutes, the dough has doubled in size. And that's what we are looking for, okay? So before we begin frying, we'll check to see if our oil is hot. If not, we'll allow it to heat up. Then we'll gently drop the dough into the hot oil. We'll fry until they are beautifully golden brown and have puffed up nicely. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Guys, now I'm gonna go ahead to take it out and place them in a paper towel lined plate to drain any excess oil. Look at this beauty. I know you will love it when you try it, okay? Because it is so good. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys.